How to duplicate a layer in Photoshop. If you want to speed up your workflow or create multiple versions of the same element, duplicating layers in Photoshop is one of the quickest tools you can use. It works for text, images, shapes, basically any layer you have in your project. First, open Adobe Photoshop and create a new file. For example, let's say you add some text to your canvas. Now go to the Layers panel and select the layer you want to duplicate. You can right-click on it and choose Duplicate Layer. Or, for a much faster method, simply press Ctrl+J on your keyboard. This will instantly create a duplicate of the selected layer. And remember, this works for all types of layers, not just text. You can duplicate shapes, images, adjustment layers, and more using the same shortcut. And that's it. Duplicating layers is a simple way to edit faster and stay organized while working in Photoshop. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy Photoshop guides. Thanks for watching.